Hi everyone! Kumusta na kayo? Welcome to my channel. Ito ay purple grass. Yan, nagustuhan ko lang siya. Nagandahan ako kaya binidyohan ko siya. Madali lang tumubo yan. Para lang siyang damo. So easy to care for. It's really good on the yard. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a great day.